Export all images from Excel in seconds. If you want to export all images from an Excel workbook at once, here are 2 easy methods. Method 1. Change the file extension. Open the folder containing the Excel file you want to export images from. Make a copy of your Excel file to avoid damaging the original file. Then, make sure file name extensions are visible. If you can't see the file extension, go to View. Click to expand the Show option, and check File Name Extensions. Select the file, and press F2 to enter the edit mode. Change the file extension from to RAR. Then, press Enter key. Click Yes in the warning box. Now, click to open the IAR file. Click XL folder. Click Media folder. Here, you can find all images used in the Excel file. Finally, you can copy or save them wherever you need. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel. If you want a faster and simpler way, you can use Kutools for Excel. Go to the Kutools Plus tab. Click Import and Export. Then choose Export Graphics. In the dialog box, select the images or objects you want to export. Here, I will choose Pictures. Then, choose a folder where you want to save the images. Select one image format, such as PNG or JPG. Then click OK. After the images are exported successfully, click OK to open the folder and check your saved images. For a free method, change the file extension. For an easier way with more export options, use Kutools. Kutools for Excel offers 300+ powerful tools and AI-powered features to reduce workload by 80% and boost efficiency by 300%. That's how to export all images from Excel. Like and follow for more Excel tips.